Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can change your country of residence in your Wise account. So the first step that you have to do is open their official website. Then once you're here, just go ahead and tap on the Help Center and go ahead and go to the Managing Your Account. So once you're here, you will have this, I need to edit my personal details. And if you scroll all the way down, you will see here about the address. So changing your address if you live in, or if you're moving to or moving out of Japan, note that changing the address to Philippines, Malaysia, Israel, Hong Kong, Turkey, and to or from the US will result your existing Wise cards being blocked due to the regulatory reasons. So that means that you have to first get in touch with the Wise so you can send them an email about changing your address. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!